So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 3, Points of View, second semester. So, my dear students, in a previous activity 1, 2, and 3, which we have discussed, and activity 2 and 3, I sent PDF also. I hope you might have completed. Now let us see activity number 4. Points of view is a common idiom. Idioms are groups of words that have a special meaning that is different from the ordinary meaning of each separate word. Here idioms and phrase means not the one word meaning of one word, but it is one phrase meaning, one word, one group of words which are having one specific meaning. Okay, that is idioms. Idioms, it is a group of words which have a special meaning. Okay, not one word meaning, but 2-3 words together will have special meaning. That is idioms. The best way to understand idioms is to listen and observe how they are used in a different way. That is the best way we should understand idioms. We have to listen it and observe it, how they are used in a different ways. Now here the activity is given. Think about these sentences that use the idioms. Put it in a perspective. Put it in perspective. There are so many details. I have to look at the big picture to put it all in perspective. Here it is given here. Put in perspective. That word is given here. Here is really upset. He is really upset and scared to drive because he had a small car accident, but he needs to put it perspective. It was just one time and he and the car are okay. Now he is really upset and scared to drive. He is afraid of to drive because he had a small car accident, because he met with an accident. But he needs to put it in perspective, but he will have to get ready. He will have to get rid of all the fear, and he has to carry forward. It was just one time and he and the car okay. Once it happened and then afterwards both were okay. Then the employment rate seems high. The unemployment are very big unemployment, but you have to put it in perspective. It's lower than it was last year, but it is lower than last year. Now what do you think put in perspective means? Put in perspective means to see a big picture. That is, put in perspective means to see a big picture. In the above 3 sentences which we have seen, okay, about this all, to look at big picture, then about accident and about unemployment. In the above 3 sentences, the idiom put in perspective means to see a big picture. Then think about these sentences that use idioms. Take on things. The expert is coming to our meeting to share her take on things. We will wait till after that to decide what to do. That is first. In that, take on things is used as an idiom. This is only my take on things. I am sure you will have different perspective. Again, take on things used for idioms, used as idioms. The artist and the scientist usually have a different take on things. But what if the artist is a scientist? That should be interesting. If they are interchanging, that is interesting. In that also take on things given. Now, what do you think take on this means? Now, this in above these three sentences, the idioms take on things means to give or to have an opinion or point of view, which means to give an opinion or to have an opinion or our point of view that is known as take on things. The meaning of take on things means give our own opinion. Okay, so here we will stop, my dear students. Remaining part we will see later on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.